Hello, Justin Follett, Follett & Co Real Estate. Welcome to 25 Lindsay Street, Brighton. Imagine living your dream Brighton lifestyle in this architecturally designed home. Direct home entry is accessed via your double automatic garage. On the ground floor you have sophisticated European oak engineered floors, sweep through open plan living, an elegant central area including a luxurious kitchen, a plethora of soft closing storage options, stainless steel meal appliances, and a large island bench with a customised adjoining dining table. Seamlessly flowing out from this living zone is the wraparound sun-drenched courtyard, providing the perfect location for entertaining your friends and family. The basement level is a peaceful and private space designed with leisure and entertaining in mind, showcasing an open living retreat, gold-class home theatre, large study, spacious bedroom, wine storage room, and exquisite fully tiled Caesarstone bathroom. The other 3 bedrooms have a top floor location and all come with built-in wardrobes and private en-suites, with the master suite luxuriously finished with bespoke details and sky views ensuite starring an indulgent freestanding bathtub and tiled feature wall. On the superb rooftop, a sun-soaked deck has glimpses of the city and out to the Brighton Town Hall and gardens, while the mature trees of Lindsay Street create a scenic setting you'll never get tired of. Thank you for taking the tour today. We look forward to seeing you at one of our future open for inspections.